Hey guys, if you want to fix Google account keeps signing out, make sure your browser is fully updated to the latest version. So go ahead to the settings on your phone, hit general, hit software update. If your iPhone is fully updated to the latest version, the browser will be updated as well. If not, if that problem still persists, what you're gonna do, go back to the main settings, scroll a little bit down, hit apps, find Safari or locate Safari. And then what you're gonna do, hit Safari, scroll a little bit down, okay, and you're gonna hit clear history and website data highlighted in blue. And then what you're gonna do, just clear all history, right, by double clicking the clear history, right, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna clear some space. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, hit advanced, press website data, and then what you're gonna do, hit edit at the top right, remove all website data highlighted in red. Okay, and then once you do that, you're gonna just go ahead and delete all the data, all the information inside your browser, and that should fix your problem, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.